Hello, you lovely people. Okay, this is my brand new range of cookware with Tefal. I'm really, really proud of it. 17 years I've been working with them and we've been perfecting the best pan and cookware stuff ever. First up, we've got the thermo-signal. The hourglass disappears when this pan is beautifully hot and ready to cook on. Fantastic. And this latest range of non-stick is incredible. It's fantastic for cooking and cleaning, much, much easier. We've got beautiful handles, deeper shape, we've got lovely thick bases, which is fantastic for heat distribution so you don't get any hot spots, right? Really even, controlled cooking. Finally, we've added some very cool measurement inside the pan, giving you a better idea of how much you're cooking, perfect for reducing sauces and stocks, and it helps you serve up equal portions as well. We've worked really hard to make sure that these pans are really easy to use, really comfortable, and all you have to do is think about what you want to cook next. Happy days.